I'll go straight to the point. In this video, I'll show you the fuse box location of any Nissan Versa 2007-2011. There are three different locations. First one, you're gonna go down here in the footwell of the driver's side and you have this panel. You're gonna put your finger and just pull it. And right over there, you're gonna have your first fuse box. You can see it there, and on the lid itself, you'll have the graphic to know which one is which. So this is pretty handy here. Now for the second fuse box, you'll have to open the hood of the car, then go around, and on the right side over here you can see the battery has been removed. This is where the battery is usually. On the right side you're gonna find the second fuse box over here. It's a big rectangular shaped lid, and you have those clips that you need to just to press on one of them and pull the cover. And here are a few fuses. There are not many. I know it's hard to see because of the dust, but on the lid there's this diagram again showing you what each fuse do. Let me show you the third fuse box. Okay, so it will be on the right side of where the battery is supposed to be, and it will be this black square box here. You need to remove the cover by unclipping those clips. There are a few around it. You can use a tool, but yeah, I think the easiest to do is with your fingers actually. So what you'll need to do is, let me put this tool aside. You're gonna press on the opposite side on the white tab, and at the same time try to lift the cover. I know it's hard to see on the camera, but this is what I'm doing. I'm just pressing on that white tab on the opposite direction of the fuse box and lifting with my other finger the box, and it will come undone, and the fuse box is on the other side of this thing. And you have also the diagram right on the top there. I hope this video was useful. If so, please leave a comment, a like. It will help my channel, and I'll see you in the next one.